Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. Today we're discussing a question that should be in the heart of every believer. What does Imam Mahdi alayhi salam expect from us during this period of occultation? As we live in the era of Ghaybah, it's crucial to understand our responsibilities and how we can prepare ourselves for the reappearance of our beloved Imam alayhi salam. Strengthening our faith. The first and foremost expectation is to strengthen our faith and belief. Imam Mahdi alayhi salam expects us to maintain unwavering belief in his existence and his inevitable reappearance. This isn't just about intellectual acceptance, but a deep, heartfelt conviction that guides our daily lives. During the period of Ghaybah, Satan tries to create doubt in our hearts, but we must hold firm to our faith, just as the early companions of the Prophet, PBUH, held firm during times of trial. Study and understand Islamic teachings deeply. Engage in regular prayer and remembrance of Allah. Strengthen your connection with the Ahlul Bayt alayhi salam. Read and reflect on supplications related to Imam Mahdi alayhi salam, especially Dua al-Faraj. Moral and spiritual development. Imam Mahdi alayhi salam expects us to work on our character and spiritual purification. When our Imam reappears, he will establish justice and righteousness on earth. How can we be part of that mission if we haven't purified ourselves? The Imam alayhi salam wants to see 1. Taqwa, God consciousness, living every moment aware that Allah is watching us. 2. Akhlaq, good character, being truthful, kind, patient, and humble in our dealings. 3. Self-accountability, regularly examining our actions and seeking to improve. 4. Spiritual discipline, performing prayers on time, fasting, giving charity, and engaging in acts of worship with sincerity. Remember, the companions of Imam Mahdi alayhi salam will be those who have purified their hearts and souls. Acquiring knowledge. The third expectation is seeking knowledge. Imam Mahdi alayhi salam expects us to be educated and enlightened believers, not ignorant followers. This means religious knowledge, understanding the Quran and its teachings, learning about the life of the Prophet, PBUH, and Ahlul Bayt alayhi salam, studying Islamic jurisprudence relevant to our daily lives, understanding the signs of the reappearance, worldly knowledge, education and professional skills, critical thinking and wisdom, understanding current events through an Islamic lens. The Imam alayhi salam will need a community of intelligent, skilled, and knowledgeable supporters who can help establish justice in the world. Enjoining good and forbidding evil. One of the most important expectations is Amr bil Ma'ruf wa Nahi anil Munkar, enjoining good and forbidding evil. Imam Mahdi alayhi salam expects us to stand up against oppression and injustice, speak the truth even when it's difficult, help the poor and vulnerable in society, create awareness about what is right and wrong according to Islamic teachings, be role models in our communities. But remember, this must be done with wisdom, knowledge, and good character, not with harshness or arrogance. We must be the change we want to see in the world, preparing the ground for the just society that Imam Mahdi alayhi salam will establish. Unity among believers. Imam Mahdi alayhi salam expects unity among the believers. Division and sectarianism weaken the Muslim Ummah. Our Imam alayhi salam wants to see Muslims respecting each other despite differences in interpretation. Focus on what unites us rather than what divides us. Working together for common goals of justice and truth. Avoiding backbiting, slander, and creating discord. Building bridges rather than walls. When Imam Mahdi alayhi salam reappears, he will unite the entire Ummah. We should start that process now by fostering love, respect, and cooperation among ourselves. Remembering and praying for the Imam. Imam Mahdi, alayhi salam, expects us to remember him and pray for his reappearance. This isn't just a ritual, but a way to maintain our connection with our Imam, express our longing for justice, prepare our hearts for his return, seek his intercession and blessings. Practical ways to do this. Recite Dua al-Faraj daily. Stand in respect when his name is mentioned. Visit his representatives, mosques, scholars, and maintain connection with Islamic leadership. Give charity on his behalf. Fast and pray for his safety and quick reappearance. Grieve over his separation from us. The Prophet, PBUH, said that the best of deeds during the occultation is to await the faraj, relief/reappearance, with patience and action, living as if he's watching. Perhaps the most comprehensive expectation is to live as if Imam Mahdi, alayhi salam, is watching us, because he is. According to Islamic traditions, Imam Mahdi, alayhi salam, is aware of the condition of his followers. How would we live differently if we truly internalized this reality? Would we be more careful about what we say and do? Be more sincere in our worship? Treat others with more justice and kindness? Be more disciplined in avoiding sins? Work hard, preparing for his mission. Finally, Imam Mahdi alayhi salam expects us to prepare for his mission. When he reappears, his mission will be to establish global justice. We can prepare by 1. Developing skills and competencies that will be useful in building a just society. 2. Creating networks of righteous people who can support each other and work together. 3. Understanding social justice and what a truly Islamic society looks like. 4. Being physically, mentally, and spiritually ready for the challenges that may come. 5. Raising our children with the values and knowledge they need to be part of this mission. 6. Supporting institutions and causes that align with the values of justice, truth, and compassion. We may not all live to see the reappearance, but we can be part of the preparation, and our children and grandchildren may be among his supporters. Dear brothers and sisters, what Imam Mahdi alayhi salam expects from us can be summarized in one beautiful concept. Be the best version of yourself as a Muslim. He expects us to have strong faith, develop good character, seek knowledge, stand for justice, unite with fellow believers, remember and pray for him, live consciously and righteously, prepare for his mission. These aren't burdens, but opportunities to grow closer to Allah and to be part of the greatest movement in human history, the establishment of divine justice on earth. Let's ask ourselves, if Imam Mahdi alayhi salam appeared today, would he be pleased with our condition? Would we be ready to support him? The time to prepare is now. Every prayer, every good deed, every moment of self-improvement brings us closer to being worthy supporters of our Imam. May Allah hasten the reappearance of Imam Mahdi alayhi salam and make us among his true companions. May we live to see the day when justice fills the earth as water fills the ocean. Allahumma kundi waliyyikal Hujjat ibn al-Hassan. O Allah, be for your representative the Hujjat, proof, son of Al-Hassan, in this hour and in every hour, a guardian, a protector, a leader, a helper, a guide, and an eye, until you make him live on the earth in obedience and let him enjoy it for a long time. Jazakallah khair for watching. Please share this video with others who may benefit, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content about our beautiful faith. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.